Frustrated with Stripe radar blocking genuine customers and costing you sales? Today, we're diving into how to take control of Stripe's fraud prevention and fine-tune it to your business needs. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments section. Look for Radar in the left-hand menu or under the Products section. It might be nested in a drop-down. Click on Radar to access Settings. You should now see the main Radar settings page here. You'll find a toggle switch or a similarly labeled control that says something like Enable Radar or Radar for Fraud Prevention. To completely turn off Radar, simply switch this toggle to the off position. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to disable Radar. Read the warning carefully, as disabling Radar entirely removes Stripe's fraud protection. If you understand the risks and still want to proceed, click Disable. Alternatively, instead of completely disabling Radar, you can customize its rules. This is a more nuanced approach. Look for options like block suspicious payments or review flagged charges here. You can adjust the sensitivity of the rules or create custom rules to better suit your business. Remember to explore Stripe's extensive documentation for detailed information on each rule and how to best configure them. Tailoring Radar to your specific risk tolerance can help strike the right balance between security and accepting valid transactions.